Have you ever felt you have a calling, you have a vision grand enough for a dream, and you would like to pursue it, but you don't have the right people around you or the right support that you have to accomplish that dream much easier, smoothlier? Do you have this struggle of self-doubting, self-fearing, and you're just having that dream, that vision, but you don't know how to accomplish that? This video is meant for those who are seeking to overcome that fear of failure, the fear of self-doubting, the fear of life failure. The risk is everywhere, every single day when you get out from your bed and you open up your beautiful eyes. There is a risk for many reasons and ways. Now, either you spend another day in your life staying where you are and listening other people, what they suggesting for you, how they criticizing you, and how they trying to deter you from be who you really truly meant to be. If you have a dream, you have to understand that that is meant for you for a reason. That dream has found you because it's gonna fulfill you, it's gonna make you feel happy, it's gonna make you feel you achieved something what really truly meant for you, a life purpose. Therefore, even though if you don't have the right circumstances, the right people or family member or friends or colleagues or job right here, right now, believe me, that purpose is called you to form you, to challenge you all the way through until you're gonna achieve where you actually meant to be. Even though if we have a purpose, a aim, a dream, and we want to accomplish that such a short time, is not enough time for us to form with that dream. That process and progress has to be done with time by pursuing that one. Each day when you take such a small actions towards your aims and goals, and doesn't matter how small or big it is, but is meant for you for a reason, because each of us in this beautiful earth has a purpose. But we have to find in it. Some people are not there yet to admit that what is their honest, truly purpose in their life. They just hide in it, or they even scared to say it out loud. But some of us are knowing already, but we don't know how to pursue that, how to achieve that, how to get there. And now I want to tell you something. Pick up a paper and a pen. Write down in your notebook what is your dream. Write it down and scan it. As you are your own boss, your own CEO, and you tell your employer what to do, I want you to make chapters, paragraphs, and write it down each day what you can accomplish, what you can make happen towards to achieve that goal, that aim. As well, if you're seeking self-doubt and you're feeling depressed lately, I want you to write down gratitude journal every single day. It's gonna charge you, form you, and seeing the life much smoother. Because sometimes when we're aiming such a small thing to achieve, and we achieve that, then everything else is gonna be so smoother, it's easy flowing into our life. But to see that, you have to see your transformation part. You have to realize that doesn't matter how big dreams you have right here, right now, but all of them can be accomplished. And your dream not just takes time, but it takes skills as well. So never ever stop learning, expanding. Be curious about to see other people, how they live in that part, what they know, what you have to know. The skills is gonna form you to become that version that aligned with that purpose what you have in your life. So don't forget that. Each day read some little books. Doesn't matter what books you are reading. At the moment, I'm in the 23rd day of 23rd of reading that book. Every single day I open up my eyes, I don't check my phone, I start to read that one. And if not that one, the newest book what I just ordered, Simon! Because I'm really fascinated about him, how he helping other people to pursue their dreams, how to become their best version, and that stuck-in part which we not allowing ourselves to take because it's a risk-taking to get out that comfort zone and get there where we really truly aiming to be in our life. It's just a decision. You are far from your dream, just a step. By deciding you're gonna now pursue your dreams and goals and aims and wishes and making small steps towards that. Nothing comes overnight. And if it will, then every day how we're waking up, we're gonna have different plans and aims, and what is easy coming is most probably not gonna make you happy. But when you're seeking for that, when you're fighting for that, that's allow you to learn, to gain, to upgrade, to form, to be that person which is aligned with that dream. You have to seek for that. So this video is meant for those people who has a dream, but they self-doubting themselves as they feel they're not worthy enough to achieve. If you feel like that, first of all, I have to tell you, you're more than worthy enough to achieve that, because that dream is meant to be in your head. This is your own vision, not mine, not others, just yours. And secondly, everything is possible. As we are here in this beautiful earth, the source of power around us is countless, is never ending. Therefore, as I have opportunities to make my neighbors or any other millions of out there, you have the same. But that self-doubt, neglection, it has to stop right here, right now. I admit that you are worthy enough. You meant to have that dream, and only you can achieve that dream by taking small actions. Be open-minded, receiving all the informations and willing to learn. That was me for today. My name is Naomi and this is Daily Motivational Channel. I'm here to motivate you, to guide you in a way as much as I can here in this virtual platform as well. I've got a lot of different type of mindfulness sessions which has helped me through overcome past life failures and understanding the current situation and working forward my future with that mindset of everything is possible. See you very soon. Bye everyone.